Okay, first, you got to start off with a little moisturized face. Hey, y'all, hey. You're going to take your African black soap moisturizer, and I dot it all over my face and then rub it in. This just helps to add moisture to the face. Even if you have oily skin, I do recommend moisturizing first. Okay, y'all, so next it's time for the brows, and we're going to take the Slick 'em Down Brow Soap by BestieGang. And all you have to do is apply this with the spoolie, and then, of course, just rub it into your brows, girl, rub it in, and then it lays the brows down however you would like them to lay. So if you want your hairs a little bit up more, do what you got to do, because once it's down, it is down, okay? And I'm going to take the Wet n Wild pencil and just fill my brows in. I will do a more detailed video on how I do my brows, because this is going to be just kind of, honestly, I was just kind of filling in my brows any kind of way this day, so don't even pay this no attention. This is not how I typically do the brows. But when I do quick makeup, this is what I usually do. So this is like a literally 10 to 15 minute makeup look. If you're interested in doing something for work or going out and about and you don't want to do a whole bunch to your face, this is the makeup look for you, sis. Okay. But yes, y'all, real talk, these brows are not the way I typically do my brows. So I will show y'all an in-depth video on how I perfect my eyebrows, okay? Yes, so if y'all have slits in y'all eyebrows, I also will have a tutorial on that as well coming up. So stay tuned, and I'm just taking a spoolie and just blending all of the products in and making sure that my eyebrows are exactly where I want them to lay. Then I'm going to take my Juvia's Place concealer. I don't know the name of this, but I will put it in the description box. I put it on the back of my hand to warm up the product because it helps it to blend better when you put products on the back of your hand, because it's warmer. So I'm just outlining my brows. I don't do it any particular way. Of course, you just literally follow the line, girl. Follow the line like you did in school when you was in line for lunch and they told you to follow the damn line so you can get up there and get your lunch so you won't get skipped. So yes, follow the line, baby. Follow the line. It's real easy, and all you gotta do is fill in the line and bring it down, blend down, so that the you also have a little bit of coverage for your eyeshadow. And I just blend with a fluffy brush. This is no name fluffy brush. This is just any particular type of fluffy brush, okay? Doesn't matter. Then I'm going to use my BestieGang eyeshadow concealer base. This is a concealer, or you can use it for an eyeshadow base. And this is, of course, BestieGang.com is the website. You're going to put this on your eyes, specifically on the lids, and then blend with the fluffy brush as well. And also you're going to put a powder on top of it. Now, for my honest review on the BestieGang eyeshadow concealer or whatever it is, me personally, this would be good for under your brows. I do not really think that this is good, in my opinion. For me, this was not the best thing for me to use because it was too creamy for me. I like a thicker base, so I let it sit for a while and then blended it out, and it worked. Then I'm taking the Nubia's Place, the Nubia palette. I'm sorry, y'all, the Nubian palette. This is a black-owned company, so please make sure you support. And I'm going to blend that into my crease, okay? And this is just more like a flesh tone color. It's a little bit deeper than my skin tone, but it's more so a flesh tone color. And this is the color that I use particularly every day, okay? I can wear this just in my crease and be done. And then I'm going to take the darker brown on the outside and just put it in the outer corners of my crease and just make it a little bit more smoky and add a little bit of drama to the eyes just to give it some flavor, because we are only using these two colors, okay? And what you probably seen me do this early in the video, but I went all the way up to the front of my brows and blended, because I don't really like the white look that people be having when they be doing it like under the brows, that brow bone highlight. I do not like that, okay? So I want to blend in as much as possible. And of course, you've seen that other color. I just put the same color I put in my crease back on my lid and blended everything, guys, okay? So next I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Kohl Crayon. This is in, it's a black, of course. I forgot the name of it, but everything is listed in the description box below, guys. And I'm just going to I'm going to do like a little bit of tight lining and just line the lash line and just give it a little bit of depth. That's it. I don't really wear liner, you guys. To be completely honest, I don't wear liner anymore. I used to love me a wing liner, but I don't wear it anymore. And I'm also putting it in my waterline just to add a little bit of drama. But you guys, I don't do this on a regular basis, okay? I'm going to show you my everyday makeup look. It is nothing like this, but I just wanted a little bit of drama that day. So I just added that in my waterline, and I tight lined a little bit at the top. So next I'm going to take the Power Grip Primer by e.l.f. and I'm just going to prime my face. I do pretty much the same thing I did with the moisturizer. Just dab it on your face and then apply. And as you can see, I did my lashes and everything off camera. Those are actually my lashes, guys. I don't sell them anymore, but I love those lashes. I may be bringing them back to my business. And next, you guys want to take the Juvia's Place. This is the Velvety Matte Foundation. I love this foundation. Again, black owned. Make sure you support. And I do the same dotting motions as I did previously. And I just take me a beauty blender. This is a no particular brand beauty blender. And I'm just using that to blend everything in. And I like my beauty blender to be wet when I am applying this. So I do take it and run water under it. Water over it. Look at me, can't even talk today, Lord. And just blend everything in because it makes it melt into the skin. It melts into the skin. Make sure you get that neck, boo. Can't have two different shades, okay? Get the neck. Then I'm going to take my Revolution Luxury Banana Powder, and I'm just putting this under my eyes. And I'm using this as a highlighter without using the cream because I like the way the powder looks on top of the foundation without me using a lighter color concealer. So I use powder, not concealer. Okay, and it just brightens up the face. Then I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty. This is the Pro Filt'r powder foundation and the number 420, and I'm just applying this all over my face. This is a really good powder, you guys. I love Rihanna's products. Fenty Beauty has amazing foundation and concealer. Okay, you guys, please make sure you go support Riri. I love me some Riri. And I'm also going to be taking the I didn't even show it in the dang on thing, y'all, but this is the damn maybe it's in the description box. It's in the description box. This is the contour powder. I forgot to insert the picture, you guys, but everything that I'm talking about is listed down below. I actually have it in my hand right there, but I'm just contouring the face, okay? Next, we're going to use the Jaclyn Jaclyn. This is her Megawatt Luxurious highlighter. I fucking love me some Jaclyn Hill, okay? Been watching her since I started watching YouTube. And of course, you can't see it as good as I want you to see it, but this is like pow pow in your face. Okay, the Wet n Wild matte finish setting spray, and just set everything in so that it locks everything in. It makes everything like the powder, it makes it totally wash away. We're gonna take the BestieGang chocolate colored lip liner, and I'm using the Truffle one, and I'm just lining my lips, you guys. And of course, I'm also going to line a little deeper in the corners just to make it adds like a drama effect. I'm going to be completely honest. I don't know exactly what this does to the lips. I'm just going to be real with y'all. I don't know what it do, and I do makeup, but I like the dramatic effect with the lipstick. I'm just gonna be real. And I'm taking the MAC Tiana Taylor lipstick. I don't have the name of it, but it will be listed, you guys. And this is the perfect nude lipstick. I freaking love this nude lipstick for black girls, okay? This is perfect. And I just make sure that I'm blending the liner in with everything. And I'm taking the BestieGang HD lip gloss. I freaking love this lip gloss, y'all. I swear by this. I wear this every single freaking day. If you don't get nothing else from BestieGang, you need to get that lip gloss, okay? Period, poo. Period. Period. Well, guys, this concludes this tutorial. There's the finished product. I hope that you guys love this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and please subscribe, you guys. I'm rebuilding my channel. Make sure you follow me on social media, and thank you guys so much for watching.